Okay, so after installing Node.js and VS Code, so we'll write our first code. Okay, so here I have opened the VS Code. Okay, and after opening, you can adjust the text size of the VS Code using Control plus, Control minus. Okay, so adjust according to your comfort. Okay. So after that, we will open terminal from here. Okay, and here you can adjust and see the terminal window, and the terminal that we are using is PowerShell. Okay, and here also you can zoom in if you want. Okay, so I will adjust to this is right for me. So here I will write node.js node hyphen v to check if the node is installed in my machine or not. Okay, so as of now, so currently 20.17 is installed on my machine. Okay, so node.js is there, VS Code is there. Okay, so now where we will write a code. Okay, so VS Code is just a code editor. Okay, but we will keep our code in one file. Okay, so first of all, let's open a folder where we will keep all our code. Okay, so I go to documents, and here I'll create a new folder node.js. Okay, after that, okay, so just take a note. I've created the folder in document here, Node.js. Okay, so let's open VS Code again. So here you have to go to File, select Open Folder, go to Documents. So here I'll select this Node.js folder. Okay, and click on Select Folder. So now, so if you see this window, you just have to click it and select yes. So uh, after this, you will see a window like this. Okay, so let me close this welcome page. Okay, so on this left side, we see the Explorer is selected. Below that, there is search. This is source control, run and debug extensions. So currently, the Explorer tab is selected. Okay, and here you will see these three dots. Okay, these three options. So if I click on these options, you'll see all these are selected. Okay, so for now, I will uncheck these options which are not needed as of now. Okay, so only folders will be selected. Okay, so on the left side here you will see Explorer Node.js. Okay, this is the folder name. Okay, is the folder name, this folder name that we have created. Okay, so if I open this folder is empty. There is nothing inside this folder. Okay, so here let's create our first JavaScript file. Okay, so this button you can use to create a file. Okay, new file. You can give a file name. Okay, let's say app.js. Okay, so we have this file here. Okay, so now we'll write our first code inside this file. Okay, so .js is a file extension. Okay, extension for JavaScript. Okay, so uh, to print something on terminal, we use the code I'm going to show you. Okay, you just follow it and type it on your machine. Okay, console. Here I'm getting suggestions also as I'm typing. Okay, you can select it from here also. Okay, or you can type and press enter. Okay, so by this blue color the line will be highlighted, and by arrow you can select log. Okay, console dot log, and now you have to write round brackets open close. So you don't need to write uh, open round bracket and close. You just have to write the opening round bracket, so it will automatically complete the closing round bracket for you. Okay, so inside this round brackets you type single quote. Okay, and here we will write our first message. Okay, so we will write hello space world. Okay, so this becomes our first statement of program. Okay, the first statement in JavaScript. Okay, so to end this statement we have to write semicolon at the end of this statement. Okay, so this console.log is case sensitive, so you have to write everything in lower case. Okay, you should not write it uppercase C or L in uppercase. Okay, this is case sensitive, so you have to write in lowercase only. Okay, so after writing this statement, so this white dot will appear. So what is the meaning of this? That means this file is not saved. Okay, so that means the content that we have written here in this file is not saved. Okay, so you have to press Ctrl S, or you can go to file and click select save. Okay, so I have a better solution for this. Okay, you can select auto save. So after selecting auto save, as you type, it will be automatically saved into your file. Okay, so now as we have enabled autosave, my code is being saved automatically. So this is the first statement, and now we will run our JavaScript code. Okay, so to run it we have to open terminal. So you can go to terminal, select new terminal. Okay, or you can use this shortcut. As a software engineer, please prefer to use shortcuts only. Okay, so by using shortcut I will open the terminal. Okay, so this window will appear. So this is the terminal. Okay, and the terminal that we are using, there is a PowerShell. Okay, so in our machine there are different terminals. For example, CMD means command prompt, this is the terminal. Okay, or there is PowerShell. Okay, okay, these two terminals are there. Okay, so but I personally prefer command prompt. Okay, so as we opened a new terminal, it directly opened PowerShell. Okay, but I will go here and select default profile, and there are these three options. So I will select command prompt, and now I will delete this terminal and I will open new terminal again. So by default we have command prompt. Okay, so now we will run this code. Okay, so we just checked we have Node.js installed. Now we are going to run this code. Okay, how can we run it? So the syntax is, you just have to type node space, you have to give the file name. Okay, so file name is app.js. Okay, app.js. Okay, so we are running this command inside Node.js folder. Okay, so where in this folder we are running. Okay, so this file present in this folder, that's why we have said node space file name app.js. Okay, so now just press enter. Okay, so now our program has successfully executed and we are able to see the output here. Okay, So this is the first statement. Okay, this is first statement. Also the VS Code is showing you the line number. This is first line number. Okay, so we can write another statement, console dot log, okay, single quote, hello on line 2 and semicolon. This is first statement, semicolon, that means end of the statement. This is second statement. Okay, so now let's execute our code again. Type node app.js, or instead of typing this command again, what you can do, you just have to press the up arrow, so it will automatically show you the last executed command. Okay, so I'll press enter. So here we see the output from the first statement and this output from the second statement. Okay, so one more thing is how this command, these statements are being executed by Node.js. Okay, but what if we want Node.js to ignore some lines or statements? Okay, so how can we do it? We can write double quote, and here we can write any message. Okay, this is comment. So this is comment. So this comment will not be executed by Node.js. Okay, so let's check it again. So we see the output this, but not this. Okay, because this is ignored. Okay, that's why it's showing you in a green color. Okay, even if I write a code here, any JavaScript statement, for example console.log double quote test 1 2 3 4, okay, semicolon, and if I try to execute it, there will be no output for this code because this statement is ignored by this two forward slash. This is called as commenting. Okay, so we can write this comment anywhere. Okay, we can write it here. So after that, whatever we write here, that will be ignored. Okay, we can write it here as well. Okay, so this was the first program that you have successfully written and executed. Okay, thank you for joining.